Welcome to Data Millennials. I am Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the second function in Excel. So this Excel second function returns the second component of a time as a number between 0 to 59. For example, with a specific time, something like that 19:10:35, that means 7 p.m. 10 minutes and 35 seconds, the second will be returned as 35 by Excel. So we can use this second function to extract the exact second component into a particular cell, or we can use this second function to feed the result into another formula like the time function. The syntax of the second function has only one argument, that is a serial number, and the serial number is a valid Excel date and time function. So let's suppose that we have a date and time here. For example, let's suppose we'll put this particular date and time here, okay, and we'll format paint it as the same format. Now the date is 19/06/2021, 1 p.m. 55 minutes and 58 seconds. Think of a scenario where you have to extract this second part, this 58. So how can you do it? There is a formula that we are discussing in this video will help you to extract this second part of this time component from this entire date and time value. So what we can do is that we can simply put equal to, and then we'll put second. Once you have selected the second function, the Excel will ask you one argument, that is serial number, and the serial number we have to give this cell value where we have our time component or the time value. Once we close this bracket and press enter, you will see that you have 58. This 58 is the exact second component of this entire time, which is a part of this entire date time value. Now let's get back to our example. So in our example, we have to find out the total seconds required by the IT team to resolve the issue. Okay, so we have our issue raised person here who have raised an issue with the IT team within their system, and the IT team helped them to resolve that issue. So they logged their issue at this particular date at this particular time, and the issue was resolved on this date at this particular time. So this means that Daryl has logged an issue on 19th June 2021 at 1 p.m. 55 minutes and 48 seconds, and it was resolved on the same 19th June at 1 p.m. 55 minutes and 58 seconds. So we have to calculate how much time in second does the IT team required to resolve the issue. So what we can do simply is that we can simply put equal to seconds, and then we'll take this issue start at timestamp. This will give us the exact second on which the issue was logged. Similarly, we'll put second in our next cell. We'll put second, and then we will put the serial number as the issue end at. So this is the time at which the issue was resolved. So both of these two cells give us the timestamp of second at which the issue was started and the issue was resolved. Now if I have to calculate that how much time does the IT team took to resolve this issue, we'll simply put equal to this 58 minus this 47. So this means that IT team took 11 seconds to resolve this particular issue from Daryl. Now if I have to get this 11 as output in this cell, then what I can do is that I can simply use second formula and subtract it. So we'll put equal to seconds. In this way we will take the first issue ends at time, then we'll minus it with second from issue starts time. Now if I press, I'm getting 11. This was our earlier output also. Now let's track this formula. So this means that for this second row of data that we have, IT team took 28 seconds to resolve it. At the most, IT team took 30 seconds to resolve issue for Trevor. Else they seems quite efficient, right? So this is how you can use a second function in Excel to extract the second component of a particular date and time value